loishalasila. Cabinet adopts handing over Kamal Babu missing case to CBI, approves 30,000 rupees financial relief for deceased displaced families. Security forces took control of Uyok Hills amid disruption by Kuki women as they advanced near Saibol village. And Manipur's renowned writer and dramatist Chana Lukhoy passes away at 74, leaving lasting legacy in Sumang Lila and Manipuri theatre. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Shoinam, giving you the news in detail. The Manipur State Cabinet, led by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, yesterday decided to hand over the missing case of 56-year-old Laishram Kamal Babu to the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. Kamal Babu, a supervisor for contract work with the Military Engineering Services, MES, at the 57 Mountain Division in Laimakong, Kangpokpi District, has been missing since November 25th. His disappearance occurred after he entered the Laimakong military station. The cabinet meeting held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal also addressed various pressing concerns and important state issues. Among the key decisions, the cabinet approved financial relief of 30,000 rupees for the families of deceased displaced persons to assist with funeral expenses. In addition, the cabinet discussed and approved the implementation of the Manipur Vehicle Scrapping Policy 2024 and granted approval for the Viability Gap Funding (VGF) scheme for supporting flights operated by Alliance Air. Furthermore, the cabinet provided ex post facto approval for ticket fares on the Imphal-Ukhrul-Imphal helicopter route and decided to continue subsidies on fares as per a previous cabinet decision. The meeting also authorized the transfer of 0.32 acres of land from the IIIT Manipur Boys Hostel at Mantripukhi to the Manipur Police Department for the construction of a new police headquarters complex. Additionally, the cabinet approved the allocation of land for establishing the MST bus terminus at Moray and the allotment of funds for additional compensation claims for properties affected by National Highway 37 expansion. Lastly, the cabinet approved the rectification of pay anomalies for several government posts, including supervisor, ICDS, village-level worker RDNPR, junior auditor finance, and others based on the recommendations of the Central Committee on Pay Anomaly. Following a series of attacks by Kuki militants over the past 5 days using sophisticated weapons and explosives in the region, combined team of both the state and central government has started launching operation in the Uyok Hill ranges. The operation aimed to push back the insurgents and dismantle their bunkers. The militants have targeted villages including Sanasabi, Thamnapokpi, Yaingangpokpi, Santi Khongbal, and Sabungkok Kuno, causing widespread fear and leaving 4 people injured, including a journalist. The attacks have escalated tensions in the area, prompting the joint efforts of the state forces, Army, CRPF, and BSF to launch a counter-operation in the foothills where Kuki militants had set up bunkers to carry out coordinated assaults. According to police sources, the Uyok Hill has now been occupied by the CRPF, BSF and Indian Army. In a related development, BJP MLA TH Arun Kumar took to social media to announce that the Thamnapopi Uyok Hills, a key site that had been used by Kuki militants to coordinate their attacks in recent days, has now been successfully controlled and occupied by security forces, specifically the BSF. Sharing glimpses of the ongoing operations, Arun Kumar expressed confidence that the situation is being effectively managed. The situation remains tense as security forces continue their efforts to stabilize the region and neutralize the threat posed by the militants. According to reliable sources, the Uyok Hill Range has now been occupied by the CRPF, BSF and Indian Army. However, reports indicate that the security operation was temporarily halted due to a protest by Kuki women who disrupted the mission near Saibol village this morning. The protests have added another layer of complexity to the ongoing security efforts in the region. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, through his social media handles, has urged employers, contractors and residents to cooperate with authorities in ensuring the effective implementation of the Inner Line Permit ILP system in the state. The appeal follows the recent apprehension of 4 non-local laborers for violating ILP regulations. The individuals are identified as Afsar Ali, age 22 years, Muhammad Sanfaraj, age 20 years, Muhammad Rahamtullah, age 23 years, and Sahabaj Alam, age 20 years, were found residing at the Yairipok Bishnunha Water Reservoir construction site without valid ILP cards and overstaying in the state. They were apprehended by Yairipok police and subsequently produced before the executive magistrate Thoba. Legal action will be initiated as per the ILP provisions and steps are being taken for their deportation. The Assam Rifles, in collaboration with Hangle police station, successfully destroyed approximately 7 acres of illicit poppy cultivation in T. Langhoi Mall village, Hangleb subdivision, Churachandpur district of Manipur. The operation, which began in the morning and concluded by afternoon, forms part of Assam Rifles' ongoing efforts to combat the production and trafficking of narcotics in the region. The destruction of these poppy fields marked a significant step in addressing the root causes of drug addiction and the illegal trade network that poses a serious threat to the social and economic fabric of the state. Stating that the operation sends a strong message against illegal activities, fostering unity and stability in the region. A release by the IGR South said such proactive measures help protect vulnerable youth from addiction and contribute to a healthier society. Members of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee today paid floral tributes to the late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh during a solemn ceremony at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. The event was held to honor the life and contributions of the late leader following his recent passing. The tribute ceremony was attended by MPCC President K. Meghachandra, MLAs K. Ranjit, DH Lokeswar, O. Surya Kumar, and other office bearers of the MPCC. After paying their respects with flowers, Okram Ibobi Singh recalled Dr. Manmohan Singh's significant contributions to both Manipur and the nation. He shared a pivotal moment in the early 2000s when Manipur was facing severe economic challenges. Despite the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP being in power at the center, Dr. Manmohan Singh played a crucial role in arranging a meeting between Okram Ibobi and the then finance minister, which helped resolve the state's economic crisis. The former chief minister also praised Dr. Manmohan Singh for his transformative impact on India's economy.
Akoigi scheduled tribe ki reservations hai. Ma laga Manipur University, Central University lauthoe, Central Institution wai hai, RIMS lauthoe. Atai di capital project atai ai sai hai mana tawiram ba mana matiang pangwiram ba mayam si. Aikoi da nate ko North East ki mayam masidi lishama chembada punga mahena pathok pada da loi khamba naira roye ko. Sigumba magi idea mana tawiram ba mayam puna maksi yenguraga opposition ruling gi wa natana aikoi Dr. Manmohan Singh gi maramda aikoi khana naina ba taragadi masi loi ba khamba naira ne hai.
Manipur's celebrated writer and dramatist Chana Lukhoi passes away today at the age of 74. He breathed his last at his residence in Chana village in Imphal East after battling a prolonged illness. Lukhoi was widely recognized for his exceptional contributions to the art of Sumang Lila, a popular form of Manipuri theatre. His works earned him both state and national accolades, and he was a revered figure in the cultural landscape of Manipur. His plays were consistently ranked first in the Sumang Lila competitions, solidifying his reputation as a master dramatist. Among his iconic works are Sana, Pat Ki Tharikta, China Pung, Hingna Bagi Dabi, Leishabi Gi Machado, Igi Nong, Kaisham Thong Thoibi, Love, 2000, and Sabi Sano Express. Each of these plays contributed significantly to the development of Manipuri theatre, showcasing his creativity, patience, and deep understanding of local traditions. Chana Lukhoi's legacy in the world of Sumang Lila and his dedication to preserving and promoting Manipuri culture will continue to inspire future generations. His passing marks the end of an era in the state's theatrical community, but his work will remain an indelible part of Manipur's cultural heritage. The Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur has expressed deep sorrow at the passing of eminent writer and dramatist Chana Lukhoi. In a heartfelt condolence message, the forum highlighted the significant role Lukhoi played in shaping the cultural and literary landscape of Manipur. The forum remembered his unwavering commitment to the arts and his efforts to preserve and promote Manipuri culture through literature and theatre. The members of the Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur extended their condolences to his family and loved ones, acknowledging the profound loss to both the literary and artistic community of Manipur. Families and supporters of the 4 civilians arrested in connection with the November 16 incident, as well as the 8 village volunteers who were detained, staged a sit-in protest today in front of Nahaulai Laibung in Kakching, demanding their unconditional release. Prior to the protest, the police had issued a ban citing that such demonstrations required government permission. However, the protesters defied the police order and proceeded with the demonstration. Despite several attempts by the police to disperse the crowd, the protest continued. The protest was supported by leaders from various civil organizations, including Sorojini, president of the Universal Mother Organization, Sujata, convener of Imagi Meira, and Sanahanbi, co-convener of Thawai Miril, among others. The demonstrators raised slogans condemning the arrests and demanding the unconditional release of those detained, along with an end to further harassment of village volunteers. With the ongoing aggression in Manipur, former rebel R.K. Sanayaima, also known as Megan, emphasized the importance of unity among the people of Manipur. He made this statement during the unveiling of the memorial stone for 4 individuals from Akasoi, including a father and son who were killed by Kuki militants in January while collecting firewood in Wangmusabal, Maning, Maichakpi Ching, located in Kumbi Assembly constituency under Bishnupur district. The event organized by the Peace Committee Kangleipak, Manipur was attended by Kumbi Assembly constituency MLA S. Prem Chandra. Megan, who is also an advisor to the Peace Committee, remarked that while the people of Manipur desire peace, unity is crucial to overcoming the ongoing aggression.
Oral film singer saying, I see the gets a young K. Among I couldn't receive film. I did. I could Manipur Park, say Manipur Park, the local singer say. Mina in a tiny consume with a land program, I would say 1949 degi. I could with the film say, lucky, I see the Aquina Mina in a town when he was said, and my ex Victoria, I could Bangle, of Luino to Dick Buggy. Orang macam siapa film ni hai besi. Aing hai benar tahu atau benar tahu. Ini film ni siang ulo waktu ni hai besi. Saya risau macam saya. Kue lan pamberati, hanu pamberati. Ni tanah ni bukan suruh macam apa. Ni tanah pun suruh macam apa masih di. Kue tak lan tarik pun film lagi. Baru na lan dari ba force itu macam piba hai besi. Kue ni apa pun panggung macam piba. Beda ni ada nak pun panggung sangat baik. Hujikta quite more of what for me have said me the things again. And technology with them to spend on myself. Bangle, upon Bangle, film with them, between a Lapo don't land the Sinaba, this Sakapi don't tell, this Sakapo talk to Amatamdana, this kid of the Sinaba. I could put my Bangle, Sakat Navagi, Amatangarabo, Kalaudi, I could Mina in a tongue, or never have a conjure say, Kalau say, conjure Amata the law, so that have said, but the minor tongue.
The 44 years of Mairapaibi movement was commemorated today in Thoubal district, highlighting the role of Mairapaibi in safeguarding the cultural and social fabric of Manipur. The event, organized by the Atokpam Mairapaibi Apunbalop Ampal and Nupi Samaj, was held at Atokpam Kaitil in Thoubal. The ceremony was attended by several figures, including Kundrakpam Indu Devi, advisor of Nupi Samaj, Sunil Karam, advisor of NIPCO, and former president of UCM Hijampriyo Kumar, advisor of Kada, as well as Ampal advisors such as Athopam Sobita Devi, Laimapokpam Lairen Devi, Yumnam Premabati Devi, Laimapokpam Bino Devi, Ningombam Bino Devi, Yumnam Bimola Devi, Asem Memtombi Devi, Athopam Memory Devi, Athopam Rani Devi, Athopam Rashi Mani Devi, Asem Sanatombi Devi, and Jotin Waikom, convener of Thoubal and Kakching district Apunbalu. The gathering paid tribute to the tireless efforts of Mairapaibi women who have been at the forefront of ensuring the safety, dignity, and social justice of the people of Manipur. Speakers in the event emphasized that the day is not only a celebration of the women's enduring legacy, but also a reminder of the essential role that women continue to play in the ongoing struggle for justice and peace in Manipur.
Aduga isasing asu khangjadriba satrasing pharaga manghanbana singba kaya torpa nupi kaya gi ijat yam manghalapa asigumba mayam sidagi akoi nupi hairiba hanagi nisabangi adumba unit achina Mairapaibi gi sayon sida loksalapani
sawapo budra adaida akogi nupi samaji linkhalapta leirapodagi di matamduda akogi nupi angang sida akogi nupaji na yu thaga phubi saibi yam torpa ada yu thana no hana bada pani poko yon thoropi phibam si yam kana toropoda gi nupi samajna punjala kana akoi gi nisage thingba gi drive che sing takching lom da achau sai sapu mo koi gi baneba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯁꯥꯕꯟꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ.
The Cultural Regal 2024, a two-day celebration of Mao heritage and traditions, was successfully concluded today at a Sufi Christian Institute, Punan Namai Mao, organized under the theme Honoring Our Ancestor. The event witnessed a turnout of approximately 1,300 participants, including 1,000 delegates representing 31 registered units. The program was graced by Mao Assembly Constituency MLA Losi Diko with Father Joseph M. Thori, Vice Principal of St. Joseph College, Ukrul, serving as the resource person. Special invitees included the Naga Students Federation, Mao Council, Mao Naga Women Welfare Association, Mao Officers Union, Angami Students Union, Senapati District Students Association, and Maram Students Union. The event featured vibrant cultural competitions that highlighted the richness of Mao traditions. Special performances by the Story Weavers and Sprouting Oak Academy, Senapati captivated the audience, showcasing folk songs, recitations, and traditional artistry. An art and craft exhibition titled Working Tools, Cultivation to Harvest showcased the essence of Mao culture through displays of traditional tools. Additionally, separate stalls exhibited clothing, ornaments, crochet, paintings, art, and other cultural artifacts reflecting the creativity and skill of the community. MLA Losi Diko inspired the gathering with a speech emphasizing the vast unifying power of culture. He urged the students to embody honesty, wisdom, and selflessness in their leadership roles to meaningfully contribute to society and family.
Point I want to mention is that you and me, a single person, should feel that how will you contribute to your society as a human being, as an individual, as a student leader, that you need to think. If you are not useful for the society, if you are not a blessing to your society, I think there's no point living, there's no point coming to here and be a part of a singing group or be a part of the team or the village team. Dressing good dress is not enough.
During healthy competition among the students of the region, the Kanglei Park Students Association KSA and Yangdo Students Forum successfully conducted a mathematics and English grammar competition for students in classes 6 to 10 today. The competition was held with the aim of enhancing students' academic skills in these key subjects. The results of the competition will be announced on January 3rd, 2025. Certificates will be awarded to the winners in each category for classes 6 to 10. In addition to the certificates, there will be prizes and recognition for the top performers. In an act of kindness towards the elderly people, today, Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal has conducted a distribution project for the second time at Langol Old Age Home, Langol, Imphal West, under the Community Service Project of Rotary Club. The initiative has included distribution of gas cylinder and gas bulb to the Langol Old Age Home. And also, in collaboration with the Mirage Foundation team, Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal has provided manicure and pedicure services to the senior citizens residing at the Langol Old Age Home under the Loneliness Alleviation Program. President Sovit Elangbom has also discussed regarding the urgent requirements to meet the needs of the elders residing at the home. He has also assured to extend possible help to the Langol Old Age Home from the club site in future. Manipur's young athletes have made their mark at the 19th National Matsogi Do Championship, which began today and will conclude on December 31st at Punjab University, Chandigarh. With exceptional performances across various age categories, the athletes from Manipur have already brought home multiple medals showcasing their skill and determination. Darwin Moirangthem, competing in the under-13 boys category, clinched the gold medal, while Mayengbam Malemnganba in the under-9 boys category also secured the gold medal for Manipur, making the state proud with their outstanding achievements. In the under-13 girls category, Jayashree Soyam of Manipur earned a well-deserved silver medal, providing her mettle in the competitive arena. Additionally, Ketrimayum Tetrendro, representing the under-11 boys category, bagged the gold medal, further aiding to the state's impressive medal tally. In a well-coordinated and successful joint operation by security forces, a huge cache of weapons has been recovered from the general area along Miao Vijayanagar axis in Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh. The joint operation has been undertaken by the Indian Army and Assam Rifles in coordination with the Arunachal Pradesh Police. During the extensive search by the specialized teams, specialists, drone, trackers, dog, metal detectors, among others, were employed. During the operation, a total of 10 different types of assault rifles were recovered from different locations, making it one of the largest recoveries in the region. It is alleged that these weapons were buried by ENNG before their surrender last year. According to sources, numerous inputs have been received in past 6 months regarding attempts by various insurgent groups, including NSCN-IM and NSCN-KYA, with the help of ENNG cadres to recover the state cache. A tragic crash occurred today morning in one city of South Korea when Jeju Air flight veered off the runway and collided with a fence while landing. The plane, which was returning from Bangkok, Thailand, was carrying 175 passengers and 6 crew members. The crash took place around 9 a.m. local time, and the aircraft was soon engulfed in flames. Authorities have confirmed 167 deaths, with 179 feared dead. The plane's wreckage emitted thick black smoke, which was captured in distressing footage on local TV. This incident comes just days after an Azerbaijan airline crashed near Kazakhstan, Aktau, which killed 38 of 67 people aboard. South Korean authorities are investigating the cause of the crash and providing support to the victim families. Before we end, the headlines once again. State Cabinet adopts handing over Kamal Babu missing case to CBI. Approves 30,000 rupees financial relief for displaced families. Security forces took control of Uyo Hills amid disruption by Kuki women as they advance near Saibol village. And Manipur's renowned writer and dramatist Chanal Lukhoi passes away at 74, leaving lasting legacy in Sumang Lila and Manipuri theatre. That's all we have in this primetime bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.